salt and stuff and come back and show you guys. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Cleo again with another cooking video. Today we're making some baked chicken wings, and these are some of the items that I'm using. 4 or 5 simple items. So I have paprika, chicken seasoning, and we have the all-purpose seasoning, and you can put some black pepper and Caribbean spice, and you can put a little bit of salt or your baking powder or baking soda, whatever you want to use, or cornstarch. So here's a chicken wing. I seasoned them already. I had a little bit of browning, this browning here, and it's seasoned, and I'm going to start laying it out on a file paper and bake it for like 41 hours. Gonna flip it and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. So I'm gonna lay it out here and the file paper for you, and I'm gonna glaze it with some honey melted with butter. So it's my first time doing that as well, so I'm here cooking up a storm, and I will show you the finished product. So I'm gonna lay it out. I'm gonna make the video pretty short because you all ain't watching the video anyway, so it doesn't make sense making it long. Just get to the point. Nice chicken wing. I love chicken wing. Hope you guys like, share, and subscribe, and tell someone about the life of Cleo and what I'm going on with over here. Hope you guys are having a blessed and wonderful day so far. I hope you guys like. So guys, I'm just laying it out here. Looks like I'm gonna have to get 2 trays because I don't want them to stick together. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get another little small tray, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. I think I'm gonna get a small tray for the other one, small portion. So here we have it, guys. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and I'm gonna flip it the other side for 20 minutes. Stay tuned. So here, guys, I have some honey and melted, well, it's honey with melted butter. I'm gonna use it to baste. I started to baste the chicken. Make sure when you put in the wings on the file paper, you baste it as well, because it will get stick to it. So I'm just basting it here, and I actually left the chicken wings in the oven for 20 minutes, and then I flip it again for another 20. And here I am just basting the wings with the honey and the butter. So it's basically baked chicken wings with honey sauce. And that's it. I'm gonna pair it up with some salad, and that's what I'll be having today. So this is what I'm gonna do over onto the other one as well. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. And I'm doing this throughout. It looks really good to me, guys. It's the first time I'm trying it this way. So stay tuned for the final product, please. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay guys, so this is my final product here. I have some salad, some avocado on the side, and my baked chicken wings glazed with some butter, melted butter, and honey. So yes guys, so this looks very healthy to me, and this is what I'm going to have for my dinner. So please like, share, and subscribe, and tell someone about the life of Cleo. Look at the chicken wings, guys. I think it looks good, and it tastes good too. Please leave your comment after. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed and wonderful day.